These performances were just a few that students presented at the annual MCPS Theatre Festival.
The overall goal of the Theatre Festival is to help kids learn and grow and have fun and realize that theater is a great opportunity for them, and there's a lot out there that they can learn and do. We have middle school and high school students coming from all around the district, and they are here to perform and get feedback from college professors and theater professionals. There are 4 events. There is the monologue for acting, there's musical theater where the students perform a song, there is the technical portfolio, which is costume design or theater marketing or lighting or sound, and then there's also group performances.
Got no pearls, still I think
So today I did individual adjudication, and it was definitely very nerve-wracking. While I was performing, it was very fun. The people there were all very nice.
So I got to present a portfolio I put together for costume design for Shrek the Musical. They gave me both technical feedback, like going forward in my designs, and they gave me feedback on my portfolio and how to present it.
The feedback from the judges, it will help me really see what I can do to improve myself.
We have a rating system looking at voice, characterization, movement, overall execution. This prepares them for professional auditions, cattle call auditions, and I think more importantly, college auditions.
Students also participated in workshops taught by local theater professionals. Topics included lighting design, costuming, dance, vocal techniques, how to build a college portfolio, and stage combat.
And that really helps to learn if I need to fall or if I need to push someone down, how to do it in the correct way, so that I'm not harming anyone or myself.
This festival is just a really great place to be because you're surrounded by hundreds of other kids who also do the same thing. We all have that common bond of theater, and it's so fun to be able to see all the different programs from all over the county and see their performances.